Stroke ringan.
And he collapsed. On the spot he collapsed.
Dan karena tekanan yang mendadak tersebut, akhirnya dia terjadi serangan stroke ringan dan dia pingsan, jatuh.
Pingsan, and we could see the stroke because his mouth already.
Dan mulutnya sudah mencong.
Itu laki apa perempuan?
Lelaki. And I immediately ran over. They shouted and called me, Kunjab, and I looked around, I saw this guy, he ran over. I saw his condition, we removed his what do you call, shirt. And immediately what I did was, there was no power strip. On the spot, we couldn't find a power strip. I told the member, I said, go get me power strips, okay? But meanwhile, on his right hand, okay, I started tapping on it. I started tapping first, without the power strip, just to, keep him on going, I tap. Okay? And then they quickly bring the power strips, and I put on a quarter power strip down there, and start tapping also. Because no newspaper, nothing, can only use hand, I just tap. Very hard. And next place I did was, knowing that he will have pain. Because sometimes, when you have a heart attack or something like that, there's pain, okay? There's pain that maybe make him faint. Okay, so I want to let you know that Heku, this is for elevating pain. It's called Heku, and it's right on your hand. Okay, I want to show you where it is.
Oke, jadi salah satu peserta yang tadi dia tekanan darahnya naik cukup tinggi, akhirnya dia kena stroke ringan dan dia pingsan. Dan Jeff karena diberitahu segera ke sana dan tanpa power strip, Jeff melakukan gerakan menepuk-nepuk tempat yang dikatakan tadi di pergelangan tangannya tadi.
H7 and P6 ya.
Ya, antara P6 ya.
H7.
Oke, H7 dengan P6 di sini. Dan kemudian meminta member yang sana untuk segera mengambil power strip. Dan sementara itu setelah dipukul, ditempelin power strip, ya. Dan terus dipukul terus, ya. Dan tadi saya pernah bilang kalau waktu serangan tadi dia rasa nyeri tadi, mungkin nyeri tadi membuat dia pingsan.
It could be, like a all of a sudden a pain that
Mungkin bisa jadi karena tiba-tiba nyeri sakitnya
where's the
datang
pain?
membuat dia
Everybody, your left hand, show like that.
Dan ini ada titik berikutnya, tangan kita.
Left hand. Stretch your left hand like that. Stretch. Okay. And you can see there's a line.
Ya, kita bisa lihat di jempol kita ini ada satu garis.
Yeah, there's a line. Okay. You stretch your hand, there's a line. Yeah. Okay. There's a line here. Okay. Now, your right thumb.
Ya, jempol kita sebelah kanan.
There is a line.
Ada garis.
Okay. Now, what you need to do is the right thumb line go on top of your left hand line, and then you press down. Press your thumb down like that. Okay. Line with line. Press down.
Heku.
Correct. Press down. Press down.
Jadi
Press down.
kalau
Okay.
jari
Press
kiri
down.
apa
Okay.
tangan kiri
Press
kita
down.
yang
Good.
kanan ada garisnya.
Good.
Oke.
Okay.
Nah, jempol kita ada garisnya sini. Nah, garis sama garis ini ketemu, kemudian tekan ke belakang. Nah, inilah titik hekunya.
Titik heku untuk jantung. Jantung, Pak.
Mengurangi rasa sakit.
Dan
Mengurangi rasa nyeri.
Okay. Now, not finish yet. Yeah.
Ini belum
Okay.
selesai.
Press down. Okay. Press down. What I want to do now is turn your thumb onto the other side. Turn your thumb. Yes, correct. Yes, and you press it. That's your heku.
Putar.
Iya.
Okay. You feel the pain?
Maksudnya lu kalau begini kan nggak tahu
You feel the
ukurannya.
pain?
Cara
You should feel the
pengukurannya
pain.
seperti ini.
Heku is here. Yeah. Here. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Correct. When you
Ya,
press
cara
it,
mendapatkannya gitu. Jadi ini.
you feel the pain.
Tekan di mana, Pak? Tekan dulu, Pak.
Ya kalau ibu mau tekankan terus
Iya.
aja.
Ini untuk apa? Pernah diajarin.
Sekali lagi, apa?
Ini adalah gateway, pintu masuk energi juga. Gitu.
Tekan.
Mengurangi rasa sakit.
Dan tapi
Iya.
dia tujuannya lebih mengurangi rasa sakit.
Ya. Okay?
Hah?
That's your third.
Ya
Now, what's
bisa
your
bantu,
goal?
bisa bantu.
Any kind of pain. Any kind of pain.
Nah, semua rasa nyeri di sini sebenarnya bisa dibantu.
If it's toothache, headache,
Ada sakit gigi, sakit kepala, sakit pinggang, semua rasa nyeri.
you press on the earth.
Ya,
And then
tekan
you
headphone-nya
massage it,
saja.
a little bit, massage it.
Kemudian dipijat-pijat
You know, massage it and then let go a little bit.
dan lepaskan.
Then go in again and then massage it.
Tekan lagi dan dipijat-pijat.
That's what I did for this Mr. Ali. His name is Mr. Ali.
Dan inilah Jeff lakukan kepada peserta yang di Hatsai tadi.
Kanan
namanya
kiri
Ali.
boleh.
Huh?
Kanan atau kiri boleh.
Both.
Dua-dua.
Dua-dua.
Okay, so always remember there are only two meridian points that run one line only. There's one in the center and the other back.
Jadi kita perlu ingat bahwa dari 14 meridian yang ada, hanya dua yang tunggal. Yang lainnya ada dua garis.
So I keep pressing in here. Press, 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 press. I did this way. I put his hand like that. I press it. I press, 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 and then the positive. And I tell you, in 3 minutes, he opened his eyes. Okay? And he was breathing normally. Because his heartbeat, when I felt his heartbeat, it was about 100 over a little bit. He opened his eyes, his mouth went back okay. Okay? And then he started to breathe very normally. I said, that's good. Then I asked him a question, Ali, what is this number? He said, 1. I said, good. What is this number? 2. I said, what is number? 5. I said, you're okay now.
Ya, dalam 3 menit dia sadar kembali. Kemudian Jeff mengetes ingatannya apakah udah normal atau masih belum.
Okay? So please believe in it because I have seen so many times, you know. And it
Jadi,
really saved his life. It really
Mohon
saved his life.
bisa mengerti ini bisa membantu banyak hal.
I think if that day we don't do all that for him, okay, and send him to hospital, probably he would have a stroke.
Ya, kalau pada saat itu kejadian, kalau kita tidak melakukan hal seperti tersebut, mungkin dia terpaksa harus dibawa ke rumah sakit. Dan
So you have to believe.
banyak hal bisa terjadi.
Mr. Jeff, mau tanya.
Sherman,
Katanya kalau orang truknya di kiri, kita harus pijatnya di kanan.
Ya,
Benar?
ya, ya, betul. The other side.
Kalau truknya kanan, miring, kiri.
Ya,
Nah tadi Jeff bilang harus dua-duanya kanan kiri.
dua-dua betul.
Apa?
You know. And like I say, those people who have got this kind of problem, you know, they are at home watching television, doing nothing. Okay.
Untuk orang-orang punya masalah, sebenarnya apa mereka bisa lakukan pada saat mereka lagi di rumah nonton televisi, mereka bisa melakukan satu senam tadi cinglok.
You have nothing to do, just tap. Just put tap.
Jadi kalau nggak ada kerjaan, ya lakukan ini aja.
Okay. You're waiting for a bus, doing nothing. Tap. If you cannot, you can tap. Tap it.
Kalau nggak ada
Pukul-pukul dengan
kertas koran seperti ini, ya
koran
gunakan tangan.
8
And I
lembar
tell you,
digulung menjadi
every
satu
time you do all this action,
dan dibungkus
people
dengan
ask you,
solatif.
why are you doing that?
Gunakan untuk
What
tapping
are you
untuk
doing?
memukul di atas power
Pada
plate
saat
yang
kita
ditempel.
melakukan ini di tempat umum, ya mungkin lagi nunggu bis atau lagi ngantri ataupun lagi apain, itu akan menarik perhatian orang. Orang yang bertanya, lagi ngapain?
And this most importantly, they ask the question and you tell them, hey, this is very good because it helps with my heart, with my blood pressure, you know, and my heartbeat. And it's very good. And I'm putting this power strip because it's helping me to trigger the meridian point. And you start talking about the product, you know.
Nah, itu memberi satu peluang pada Bapak Ibu untuk bisa bercerita, ya,
Oke.
karena mereka yang memulai. Ya.
Now we talk about the gallbladder, okay?
Jadi yang tadi itu berarti urine bladder.
Yeah, this one is
Itu
urine
namanya
bladder.
urine bladder. Wei Chung itu
Urine bladder.
Kantung kencing 40.
You are right. It's urine bladder.
Urine
This
bladder
is
40.
gallbladder,
UB40.
okay?
Ya.
Alright. Feng Shi. Okay? It's actually by the side of your leg, and it is actually 5. You see, 5 finger below. Three finger below is your Chusandi. If you put 5 finger above, right in the center is where your Feng Shi is. Right in the center here. See
It's
that?
not our, ya.
It's on the outside. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not. The size is not like this.
Yeah.
Depend on when we set up.
Oh no. You see, this is your ankle bone. 5 finger away. I mean, somebody's hand is small,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But your hand is only 5 finger away. And it's right here. Right there.
Oh.
is the
Fungsi.
方式, okay? So you put, and
Untuk
for your
empedu.
liver,
Apa?
Empedu.
okay, for your liver, it's
Kalau
LV14
tadi kantong kencing.
called Changmen. Okay, where is it located? You see, this is your nipple,
Itu untuk titik apa hati ya.
and they are the first bone, the second bone,
Kita tahu kita punya apa puting.
and this is the third spare.
Letaknya adalah dari puting tadi ada
It
dua
is right
tulang
from
rusuk
your-
dan tulang rusuk ketiga.
From your nipple down, between the second and the third spare here.
Jadi dari kita punya puting ada tulang rusuk dari antara tulang rusuk kedua dan ketiga.
Again, you press on it if you pain. Yeah? Here. Between your second and your third spare. Right from your nipple down. Between your second and your third spare. Right in the center.
For liver lah.
You
For
feel it?
liver.
Eddie?
Liver, untuk liver.
You press on it and you feel painful, yeah? Some of you may cough this, it's very natural. That's where your LV, your liver is meridian point located.
Itu adalah titik untuk meridian hati.
Okay? The 13th one is called Huan Yin.
Kemudian inilah yang tunggal. Kalau yang tadi 12 adalah selalu dua ya, kanan kirinya.
Is correct.
Yang ini dua terakhir adalah tunggal.
Because this is actually GV number 3.
Itu adalah GV3.
Okay? And so this governing vessel is very important, especially for ladies. Okay? For ladies.
Jadi ini titik penting terutama untuk wanita,
And also for the men, for your sexual organ.
juga untuk pria, untuk organ seksualitasnya.
And where is it located? It's actually 3 fingers away. 3 fingers away from your navel. 3 fingers away.
Yaitu 3 jari di bawah pusat.
Okay, that is your Guan Yin.
Itu adalah titik Kuan Yin.
I want to let you know that every 1 thumb away, there's another vessel. 1 thumb away, that means this Guan Yin, and 1 thumb away, there's another one. And 1 thumb away for the ladies, I'm talking about the ladies, yeah, there's another one. There are 3 meridian points out there. 1 line. Okay. And this is very good for people who have got menstrual problem, menstrual pain, irregular menstrual flow, white discharge, over menstrual flow and things like that, related to the menstrual. Okay? And also, you'll be surprised, people who are coming to menopausal stage or already at menopausal stage, that is also a very important meridian point.
Jadi ini ada titik Kuan Yin, di bawahnya khusus untuk wanita itu ada 3 titik. Jadi setiap 1 jempol 1 titik, setiap jempol ada 3 titik. Itu memegang peranan penting terutama untuk berkaitan dengan mensnya tidak teratur atau seringkali datang mensnya nyeri, dan juga baik untuk ibu-ibu yang lagi sedang masuk menopause, itu menolong dia banyak.
So again, you may want to put 1/4 strip there.
Dan kita bisa tempel seperempat.
1/4 strip, 1 line down.
Jadi tempelnya seperempat tapi memanjang turun ke bawah.
Okay, that covers all 3 meridian points.
Dan itu akan mengcover 3 titik itu.
That is for women. Yeah.
Itu untuk wanita.
For men, no need.
Untuk pria nggak.
For men only, the Guan Yin is good enough.
Kalau untuk pria, titik Kuan Yin sudah cukup.
Okay. And then you tap.
Full tap?
You can
Ya.
use this to tap.
Uh-huh.
You can use your hand to tap. Okay. And you try it out because in the same government building that I helped that guy to go to the toilet to constipation, that same day there was this one lady who had very bad menstrual pain, very bad. And I did that for her. I just put it, and I tell you, in 2 minutes, the pain was gone. Totally gone.
Tadi Jeff ada cerita bahwa dia bersama tim ada di Thailand, mereka mengunjungi satu tempat pemerintahan, satu tempat publik terbuka untuk dari pemerintahan terbuka untuk umum. Di sana mereka mengadakan satu demo. Tadi dia cerita bahwa dia ada seorang yang sulit buang air besar setelah dilakukan terapi ini langsung ke toilet, dan di sana juga mereka menemukan seorang wanita yang mengalami, setelah menggunakan cara ini nyerinya langsung hilang.
Okay. So that's the reason why I say it's very important, because when you do this kind of things, instead of just doing a top power sweep, what is power sweep? You know, germanium crystals, you know, royal great ginseng, and you know, silver ion, and you know, and planktons. You can talk a lot about the product. People don't care. They only want to know, does it work?
Ya.
Does it work? They only want to know that.
Kita selama ini menjelaskan tentang produk ini secara detail mengenai kandungannya, kadang-kadang orang tidak peduli. Yang mereka peduli adalah apakah produk ini bisa bekerja.
And so what you need to know is to ask questions like, what do you have? What problem do you have?
Jadi kita bisa tanyakan mereka, kira-kira ada masalah dengan mereka itu apa?
And he says, I have pain.
Kalau mereka kan ada rasa nyeri,
Great. Where's pain, my friend?
kita tanya, di mana nyerinya?
Where's the meridian for pain?
Di mana titik untuk meridian nyeri?
Herku.
Hegu.
And where's the herku?
Jadi titik heku, di mana hekunya?
You just put 1 cut 16. 1 cut 16.
Jadi tempelkan 1/16.
Okay? And then after that, if you have newspaper, use newspaper.
Kalau ada koran, gunakan koran.
If you don't have newspaper, you can use a hand.
Kalau nggak ada koran, gunakan tanganmu.
Okay? You hit for the person. You put 1 cut 16 will do. And then you hit it for you. Okay? For about 2 minutes.
Ya, Anda tempelkan 1/16, kemudian pukul.
The person's pain will go right away after 2 minutes. And they will say, wow.
Dan setelah itu kita akan dapat, Bapak Ibu akan dapatin bahwa dalam beberapa menit nyeri tadi akan hilang.
They will say, wow.
Dan itu akan membuat yang bersangkutan merasa takjub.
And they will say, I want a product. I want a product.
Dan kemudian katakan dia pasti akan beli produk. Gimana
This
Bu?
is the best way for you to do your whatever green business really.
Dan ini adalah salah satu cara yang Bapak Ibu bisa gunakan dalam Bapak Ibu membangun bisnis di Forever Green.
Because they see result right away.
Karena mereka bisa langsung melihat hasilnya.
And the last meridian and the most important one is the governing vessel GV14, which I already mentioned. It's at the back, which I did put the power switch on. Yeah.
Ya Jui.
Yeah. GV14. Ta Chui.
Ta
It's
Chui.
called Ta Chui. Ta Jing Chui, or in short Ta Chui. Okay. That's right. Okay.
Nah itulah titik tadi yang dilakukan pada Ibu Christine ya.
So, how do we do this exercise?
Dan bagaimana kita melakukan senam ini?
There is actually a way for you to teach, of course, to learn it, okay? And after that, once you learn it, you know already how to do it, you remember everything, you can actually go out and teach people.
Jadi kalau Bapak Ibu tahu senam Qinglo ini, Bapak Ibu setelah pelajari, kemudian bisa menguasainya, kemudian Bapak Ibu bisa bagikan pada orang lain di luar.
For example,
Contohnya,
I stay in a Mediterranean too.
dan Jeff tinggal di Meridian di luar.
And while I was sitting in the lift, I saw that they actually do have the residents, they actually do have weekly exercise.
Dan di sana memang kita bisa lihat bahwa dia ada umumkan bahwa di sana ada pertemuan untuk warga yang selalu mereka lakukan olahraga mingguan.
Okay?
Jadwal.
But that exercise is a simple one, no result. Okay? Why don't you do this? Why don't you guys go and talk to the management and say, we will come in once a week. Okay? We will come once a week.
Ya,
Okay?
kita tahu bahwa olahraga mereka lakukan itu senam yang mereka lakukan itu tidak ada apa-apanya. Kenapa tidak Bapak Ibu mengunjungi pengelola apartemen tersebut, katakan bahwa kita punya satu cara.
Okay, and you say, okay, we come in at 5:30, okay, and we start at 6 o'clock, and the exercise is only half an hour.
Mungkin kita bisa katakan kita akan memulai acara satu kegiatan olahraga dari jam 6 dan hanya perlu waktu setengah jam.
Okay, and you get permission from them to allow you to go in and teach.
Dan kita mohon izin supaya kita diizinkan untuk mengajarkan orang-orang di sana.
Next is you do small flyer, yeah,
Dan apa yang kita lakukan adalah kita membuat satu flyer kecil,
to promote with the residents.
brosur kecil untuk kita sebarkan kepada
You go and drop into their
penghuni apartemen
drop
setempat.
into their mailbox. Drop.
Di apartemen ada 2, itu di lantai 1 itu ada tiap pagi
Setiap pagi ya.
Yeah,
jam 6.
yeah. Like I say,
Demikianlah
you know, you can always
pemakaian
choose another
power
day,
trip
and teach
di
and everything.
14
Yeah,
titik
and you
meridian
do that.
Ya
utama.
maksudnya dengan cara ini Ibu bisa lakukan kemana
Dengan
saja, termasuk
menaruh
di contoh.
yang tepat,
start with, you know, a
maka
few
power
people,
trip
you
akan
know.
bekerja
Ya, mungkin
secara
kita bisa
maksimal di
mulai
dalam
dengan beberapa
tubuh
orang.
seseorang.
But when you put on a power strip and they do the exercise, they get result. People become become 100 people. You know.
Ya, kita bisa mulai cara ini, kita tempelkan power strip, kemudian ajarkan mereka senamnya. Dan setelah itu mungkin minggu depan kita beritahu mereka kalau sudah dapatkan hasil, merasakan dampaknya untuk mereka, dan mereka akan undang orang teman-temannya lagi untuk minggu berikutnya. Mungkin dari 5 orang, dari 20, bisa jadi 100 nantinya.
You have a very good office space here.
Dan kita mempunyai ruang office di sini, ruang kantor.
Why not do it here?
Mengapa kita tidak lakukan di sini?
Every single week, choose a date. Okay,
Kita lakukan tiap minggu, kita tentukan harinya.
after office hour, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, when office worker can come. And you go down there, you go and distribute flyer, get people to come. Free. You must use the word gratis. Yeah? Free LBA test, free this, free that.
Ya, kita bisa lakukan itu, kita sebar brosur, dan kita yang penting ada perkataan gratisnya.
Okay, and you also be surprised people will come.
Dan Bapak Ibu akan bisa mendapatkan satu kejutan bahwa banyak orang akan hadir.
And when you do the exercise, you see the thing is when they exercise, they start to sweat.
Kita tahu pada saat mereka melakukan senam ini, mereka mulai berkeringat.
And when they start to sweat, it means that the body is throwing out toxins.
Itu berarti dari sistem tubuh mereka mengeluarkan racun.
And after the exercise with the power strip, I guarantee you the person will feel very good.
Dan menurut pengalaman Jeff, dengan cara begitu setelah itu kita dengan bantuan power strip dengan olahraga dari Cilo ini akan membantu mereka mendapatkan manfaat yang sangat banyak sekali.
Okay, so we want to show you the video.
Kita akan lihat videonya.
This is a video of a Qigong master from Taiwan. Okay, and he actually developed this exercise. Okay, of course you can copy it if you want. Okay, but only one thing is in Chinese. You know, he teaches you the 14 meridian points, the same meridian points that I talk about. Maybe not in the same sequence here, but he covers all the 14. Okay, so let's all put our things down.